going to talk serious stuff right now, distracted driving. I'm here with Rob Lovett. He is the owner of the Lovett Law Firm. You were saying it's a pandemic, really, when it comes to people driving. They're on their phones or they're really not paying attention to the road.
Yeah, you only got to look around El Paso. We've all seen it.
Right.
I mean, people are on their phones constantly. It is unequivocally the #1 cause of accidents in Texas and across the nation. Patty, at any given moment, there are 660,000 people using their cell phones while they're driving. There have been over 330,000 fatalities caused by distracted driving. It's a pandemic, like you said.
And the statistics are staggering. What are you dealing with here in your office? What are you seeing? And when we talk about distracted driving, is it being on your phone, texting? What does it encompass?
There's 3 types of distracted driving: visual, manual, and cognitive.
Okay.
Visual is you take your eyes off the road. You're looking at something besides. Manual is a manual distraction where you take your hands off the wheel. Cognitive is you're thinking about something else other than the fact that you're driving. Cell phone use is all 3.
Wow.
And it's ridiculous, and it needs to be stopped. And most people are good drivers. Most people know you can't use your cell phone while you're driving. But there are people that do it, and so I wanted to talk to you to emphasize, please don't do it.
Yeah.
Because then you end up having to come see me because you cause an accident and you cause an injury, and now here I am.
That's right. And by the time they get to you, it's too late. They're either a victim or they caused it.
Yeah, I have plenty of cases.
Yes.
I don't need people to be using their cell phone to be causing even more cases.
It's a serious topic. Now let's talk about the law. And I asked you a little bit about this. State law versus the local laws. How do they apply to distracted driving?
Well, Texas is a live-free type of state, so we didn't even have a cell phone ban until statewide until 2017. But that statewide ban only applies to handheld use, which the problem is people think that hands-free is safe. It is not, because you still have the cognitive impairment. Your mind is focusing on something else other than the fact that you're driving a 4,000-pound car at 60 miles an hour down a freeway. So there is no statewide ban on hands-free use. And unfortunately for us in El Paso, there's not one either. So it's completely legal to drive around talking to somebody or listening through your Bluetooth. The only 2 cities that have hands-free ordinances so far are Austin and San Antonio. We need one of those here because, unfortunately, driving a car is a social responsibility that you have to take seriously. And you cannot drive your car. We all drive our cars so much.
For sure.
It's just whoa, I can check my Facebook. Listen to this statistic.
Yeah.
If you send and receive, or if you try to compose a text while driving, it takes, on average, 4.7 seconds.
Wow.
If you're driving 60 miles an hour while you're sending that text, you're covering more than a football field of distance. And you can kill somebody in that time. And it takes about 5 seconds to do an internet search and see thousands of videos of things just like this. It's just horrible.
And it's 100% preventable. As you said, you have enough cases. You're giving people advice. You can really prevent this, just being safe on the road. Put your phone down. It can wait a couple of minutes. It can wait 20 minutes.
It's so simple. Just don't use your cell phone. Just put it aside. Get to where you're going. Pick up your cell phone. We know we love our family. We want to keep in touch. But nothing is so important that you need to check on that and risk killing somebody.
Well, we appreciate it. We appreciate the advice, and certainly for all our viewers out there. And, of course, we're going to have all the information about Rob's Law Firm on our website. Head on over to ktsm.com.